Welcome back to Wonders of History, where history and mythology come to life. Today, let's embark on a captivating journey into the myth of the Eye of Horus, a powerful symbol of protection and healing in ancient Egyptian culture. In the heart of an epic battle between the gods, Horus faced his arch-nemesis, Seth, the god of chaos and storms. The battle raged on for days, with Horus defending the sacred lands of Egypt against Seth's malevolent forces. During the fierce combat, Horus' left eye, the symbol of the moon and wisdom, was gravely injured by Seth's wicked claws. The Eye of Horus, once radiant and whole, was now fragmented. Horus, determined to restore his eye and protect the people of Egypt, embarked on a perilous quest to seek the assistance of Thoth, the god of wisdom and magic. In the mystical realm of ancient magic, Horus implored Thoth for help. With his boundless wisdom and extraordinary powers, Thoth devised a magical ritual to heal the shattered Eye of Horus. With incantations that resonated through the cosmos, Thoth carefully gathered the fragments of the eye and chanted ancient spells, infusing the eye with the power of protection and healing. The Eye of Horus was reborn, more powerful and radiant than ever before. It became a symbol of protection against evil forces and a source of healing for the people of Egypt. And there you have it, the mesmerizing tale of how the Eye of Horus, through the magic and wisdom of Thoth, was restored to its former glory, becoming an enduring symbol of protection and healing in ancient Egyptian mythology. If you enjoyed this mystical journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the annals of history and mythology. Until next time, this is Wonders of History, signing off.